this is our room at Hotel New York. This is nice. Got a bottle of water. Look what they left for us. Autograph books for the kids. Now this is awesome. And something in this, I don't know what that is yet. But, and we have a terrace room. Hey everyone, as you can see. You got a place to sit outside. And if you feel like it, you can have a smoke. Look at the tennis court right there. That's actually awesome. And this is the overview of the room. The beds. And we got that. It's gonna be fun. And the bathroom. Everything you need. His and hers. Look at that. And if you're in need of some help, that's new. Well, that's the room. If you have any questions or anything you want to ask, just do it. You know, just leave a comment. And don't forget, do remember to subscribe. Bye, everybody.